Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be coloring Sebastian from The Little Mermaid. Yay! And this page is actually from this coloring book that I found at the dollar store. We already did this one and this one. It has a lot of drawings and activities. I think I'm gonna do this one next time. Let me know in the comments which princess I should do next. I'm using these super cheap markers that I found at Marshall's for $14.99, and I know some people like to invest a lot of money in coloring, like me. But you can start with the basics. To me, coloring is more about the experience than the final product, so you don't need fancy tools to have fun. Just enjoy the process. So let's go to the table and start with Sebastian. Let's start adding the base colors. The most important thing here is setting your base with constant strokes before the marker dries. If you stop too much, the marker starts drying and it leaves lines and it won't look smooth. Also, the paper is not the best, so always put another sheet of paper underneath so the color doesn't transfer to the next page. While my markers were drying, I went ahead and worked on the fireworks in the background. This part is so fun because you don't need perfection, just let your hand move and enjoy it. I used basic colors and fill out the page with small and medium dots. After that, I added shadows with my brown colored pencil. And then I blended everything using the red pencil. For deeper shadows, I used a little bit of black, just a tiny amount so it doesn't overpower the color. For the highlights, I used my favorite white gel pen. I did the same for the lighter part of his body to make everything pop. Then I added a few final details to the mouth, and that's it. Sebastian's done. See, super easy, super relaxing, and the best part, anyone can do it. If this video made you want to grab a coloring book and start your coloring process, I have all my coloring books linked in the description down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.